So, Microsoft just announced a new game changer for finance teams everywhere. Say hello to Microsoft Copilot for Finance. This edition is the latest in the Copilot series for Microsoft 365, designed to revolutionize the way finance teams handle their day-to-day tasks. It follows the successful launch of Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service, which are now widely available. The goal? To make life easier for finance professionals by automating routine tasks, offering smart recommendations, and providing guided actions right when they need them. Finance teams are the backbone of any company, making crucial decisions that shape the future direction of the business. Yet, a whopping 80% of finance leaders feel overwhelmed by the pressure to contribute more strategically beyond their regular operational tasks. On top of that, 62% of finance professionals find themselves buried in the tediousness of data entry and endless review cycles. This is where Copilot for Finance swoops in to save the day, aiming to free up finance teams to focus more on strategic advising and insights by streamlining financial processes and automating workflows. At its core, Copilot for Finance enhances the capabilities of Excel, Outlook, and other key productivity apps with specialized workflow and data insights tailored for finance pros. It leverages the power of data from traditional enterprise resource planning, ERP systems like Microsoft Dynamics 365 and SAP, as well as the Microsoft Graph, to provide contextual insights that are crucial for financial operations. The public preview of Copilot for Finance rolls out with some pretty neat features designed to improve financial operations. For starters, it makes variance analysis in Excel a breeze. Financial analysts can now use natural language prompts to sift through data sets for anomalies, risks, and discrepancies. This kind of analysis is vital for offering strategic insights to business leaders on financial performance. It also simplifies the reconciliation process in Excel. With automated data structure comparisons and guided troubleshooting, finance teams can quickly move from insight to action, ensuring the reliability and accuracy of financial records. Plus, it offers a complete summary of relevant customer account details in Outlook, speeding up the collections process, and allows for the transformation of raw data in Excel into presentation-ready visuals and reports shareable across Outlook and Teams. Microsoft's Copilot offerings are all about helping workers navigate from insights to impact efficiently, with data and workflows that are specific to their roles. According to the latest Work Trend Index survey, people are drowning in data, spending about a quarter of their day searching for information. Yet only half of the information they come across is deemed necessary for their jobs. Copilot aims to break down these information silos, actively deriving insights, recommendations, and guidance from various data sources, all while adhering to Microsoft's responsible AI principles. Businesses like Dentsu, Lumen Technologies, Northern Trust, Schneider Electric, and Visa are already reaping the benefits of Copilot across their sales, service, and finance departments. For instance, Dentsu sees potential in Copilot for Finance to boost the efficiency of their finance professionals by optimizing routine processes. Northern Trust highlights the transformative impact of Copilot for Service on their digital workplace and client relations. Meanwhile, Visa is excited about the prospects of rolling out generative AI across the company, having seen positive outcomes from their broad deployment of Copilot for Microsoft 365. So Microsoft itself is a testament to the power of AI in sales and service operations. Copilot for Sales has helped Microsoft's global sales team save time and strengthen customer relationships with AI-supported insights. Similarly, Copilot for Service has modernized Microsoft's own contact center, enhancing service experiences and boosting agent productivity. The introduction of Microsoft Copilot for Finance is a significant step forward in streamlining financial processes and surfacing insights for better-informed decision-making. As Microsoft's finance organization explores the capabilities of Copilot for Finance, the insights gained will continue to shape the product's development and roadmap. The move to integrate AI tools like Copilot for Finance into business operations is more than just a trend. It's a strategic decision to empower employees, enhance efficiency, and create new business value. Companies of all sizes are transitioning from AI experimentation to full-scale adoption, recognizing the importance of empowering those closest to customer interactions and critical operations. To get started with Copilot for Finance and learn more about how it can transform financial operations, interested parties are encouraged to visit the official preview page. This marks an exciting moment for finance teams looking to elevate their strategic role within their organizations and for companies aiming to harness the power of AI to innovate and grow. All right, that wraps up our video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.